Hi, welcome to my channel. Right now, I'm just recording, so you'll be finding some mistakes. I have there is always so many questions about, oh, I can't create an app. I'm trying to test an app. I can't create the app because of issues about tenants, environment, and the like. So I received the same issue today on my WhatsApp. So I just said, see, let me just find a content. Let me see if I can see content online. Let me just test run it if it's going to work. So if you're following me, just know that we're destroying it together and we'll see. So this is it, aka MSM365 Delve account. So I'm going to click enter. I'm going to click join. So when I click join, it's going to ask me for an account. So I'm just going to use my email address. Use my email address that I have. So normally I always authenticate my email. So you can do that. Okay, so it's loading. I'm gonna pick my region, Nigeria company. So any company that you want to pick. If you don't have a company, you can just get. Let me just pick David Abu company, something like that. David Hay, David Hay institution, something like that. And English, accept. You can read the term. If you want to have tips, and you click next. So what is your primary focus? Choose only one. So for me, I want to use for personal project. Which area do you want to use it? So I think Teams, Power Platform, Outlook. So depending on what you want to pick. So for me, majorly it's actually Power Platform. So I'm going to click save. So this is a developer account. You don't have a subscription. Already recommend that you begin the membership by setting up a new. Okay, good. So now since I don't have a subscription, I might have to get a developer subscription. So I'm going to go here and click on set up E5 subscription. So you need E5 subscription to get everything as regards to Power Platform products, so that you can be able to use to do your Power Apps, Power Automate, Power Virtual Agent, if possible. But I'm not sure. But I'm sure Power Apps and Power Automate. So username. So what is the username? I'm going to click David. Create a domain. So domain is, let's say, David Hay. So if you can see this, and I have David at david.a.m. So this will be okay. This domain has already been taken. So I have to create another one, something like that. So I'm going to see David High. Let me see if it has been taken. Okay, it has been taken. So let me just do this. That should not be taken because I'm so sure of that. Okay, good. So that it wasn't taken. Okay, so I'm going to create a password. Let me see a password to create. So kind of cool with this password though. So let's see. Okay. Okay, good. So now I'm going to click continue. Phone number again. So I have to. Let's do this thing here, send code. So let's see if I'm going to get the times we face. So we just have to do them. We're sending code. Okay, good. Gotten the code. So setup. So I'm going to click setup. So if you're writing your phone number, make sure you start from zero for those in Nigeria. So you have your 081. So make sure that your phone number is complete. Okay, cool. So this is what we have right now. So what is the next thing that we are going to do when we get to this point? So I'm going to go to subscription. So the password I just created a few minutes ago, so I'm going to put it there again, and I'm going to sign in. Yeah. Yeah. So yes, so we now have the Office 365 E5 subscription, and now we are getting good to go. So after this, the next thing that you want to check now is to now have the Power Platform. Now you have your Power Apps. I think the Power Apps is here. Yeah, Power Apps, Power Automate, Power BI. So this is good. So now the next thing you want to do is to now set up your community plan. So there is where you want to go and build your Power Apps, your Power Automate, because right now, I think when I click on Power Apps, so we have to set up a community plan, but let's check this. If it's possible, let's check. So now, because we need to create an environment, so these are the issues with the environment. So we have an environment that we have to create, and we're going to see it. But right now, I am sure of this. So this is the first thing, first M365 Delve account. So this has been created. So now we need to create a Power Apps Community Plan account. So how do we create that? So I'm going to type it here. I'm going to do HTTP /aka.ms/pa the plan. So it brings us here, and we have get started for free, or create existing users. So because we want to create an environment, so we're going to see. So these are the different things that you're going to be using the community, the Power Apps to do. So you're going to now see get started for free. So that is what we're going to click right now. So you see there's a disconnection and the Power App support. So I don't know what is this one. Let's reload. Let's see why we are having that issue. But now the email address. So remember the email address that we started on with. So this time it will now be David at daviditamar.on. I hope I get this correct. Microsoft.com. So let me try and see. Next. Oh, okay. This is now set up. Okay, good. So this is David Itamar right now. So now there's always an issue, but before we go there, let's see. Let me be sure of my email address first. So don't worry, this is unedited. So you're seeing my mistakes and everything. So just follow. It's easier that way. It's going to help. So let's see my account. So I'm trying to get in my account so I can be sure of the name. So these are the things that you have to be sure of. Okay, good. .n Microsoft, David at daviditamar.n Microsoft. Yeah, David at daviditamar.n. Good. So I think you're using with Microsoft. Try finishing up. Okay, good. Sign in. So I think I'm inside there already. So I think it's saying that I'm inside there already. So that is fine. Okay. So let's see if we can use Dataverse. So Dataverse is in tables. So let's see if we can use Dataverse. Okay. So sign in and start. So I am changing between 1, 2. So this is where I come from to get to this slide here. So let's see, I'm going to finish up signing. Okay, can you see? Create a new environment. Can you see the issue? I have to create an environment. So, and this is where this is compulsory. So this time from here, so see it from here, I click on Power Apps, it brought me here, but you see that when I go to this place, it tells me that I don't have an environment. So right now, this is where I want to create an environment, and it takes me to this location. So you see why we have to create an environment. So you see why the plan is good. So you have two things to do. You have the M365 Dev Account plan, and you have the Power Apps plan to create. So those are the two things that you're going to create. So this is very, very long, but when you watch it, you understand why you need to have it. So let's see. Good. So can you see this is a developer environment and not meant for production? What it means is that when you do it right now, you're not meant to use it for production and people using it, but it's just for you to know how to use it. So see tables right now. Let's see if you can create it. So get a database. So let's see. I'm coming here. I think I have to go to settings. Yeah, I'm going to go to I think is admin center. Let's see. Admin. So it keeps loading. Good. So right now we have the environment. New environment is getting prepared. It can be used once started. So new environment is getting prepared. So hopefully when it's being used, we'll be able to use the environment. So let's watch. No solution yet. Build it and let's see. So let's see. Hopefully. So it's building it, and definitely when it is done, we are going to now see how we use it. So that is it. I think from here on, I think you should be able to use your power apps to build. I am so sure of that. So creating new environment. So you see this that you have to upgrade the plan, and that is why you can't use this at all. So this is coming from your M365 account, so you can't even use it because you have to upgrade your plan. So this doesn't work unless you now come here to build your power your environment, and it's from here you start using it. This might take 24 hours, this might take 1 day, but do that, and when you're done, give me an information to tell me that, oh yeah, it is fine. So it might take you a day to set up. Yeah, it might take you a day to set up, and when it has taken you that day to set up, then I think from the next day, when you log in, you should be able to create it. In my comment section, just let me know if you can set it up. If you're good, you can always let me know, and we can see it. Okay, so this is just like 30 minutes between the first video and the second video, and the new environment has been created. So for you to understand this, what we did first was to create an M365 Dev account, which brought us to this location. We started up from here, the developer program account, and we got to this location. And we said that if you click on Power Apps to start building it, you don't have an environment for you to work on. So we needed to create a Power Apps developer plan, which we can do for free. And that is what we do. Remember, it's used for testing, for development and testing. You don't use it for production. And that is what we did. and we got here. We went to the admin center. In the admin center, we got here, and the environment started get creating. So you can create a new one, click new, create the environment. So right now it's just not up to 30 minutes. I saw it and I said, okay, let me just redo the video again, and you can see for yourself that it has been created. So how do we confirm that it has been created? So we go to tables. So right now you notice that the environment is David Abu. So because of this environment is called ready, even this is ready. So anyone that I want to use, but I want to use this. So you can see it is here. So anyone that I want to use right now, I can use and click new table. Then it means I can work. So if I click this, let me see if this also can work. Let's see. Okay, so it just doesn't work. So it means that it is the new environment which I created that I'm going to use. So this is the environment I'm using, and let's see. Yeah, good. So it means I can create my Dataverse is ready to work. So right now, if you can get to this point, it means you are good to go. So congratulations. So let me know if you're good to go and if you can create it. So thank you very, very much.